In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course in Kajabi designed especially for beginners. Let's get started with your journey of creating a professional course online. First, you need to log into your Kajabi account. Head over to kajabi.com and sign in using your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, locate the left-hand menu and click on the Products option. Now that you're on the Products page, it's time to create a new product. Look for the plus New Product button and go ahead and click it. When prompted, select Course as your product type. In Kajabi, this is referred to as a digital product. Next, it's your chance to be creative and enter a course title, along with a compelling description that clearly tells your audience what the course is about. Once you've filled in these details, simply click Continue. The next stage is setting up your course outline, and this is where you structure your content. Kajabi organizes courses using categories, which function as modules or chapters, and posts, which represent the individual lessons. To start, add your categories to structure the course content effectively. These might be sections like Introduction, Module 1, or Module 2. Inside each category, you can add posts for each lesson, which might include things like a welcome video, Lesson 1.1, and Lesson 1.2. Once your structure is in place, it's time to bring your lessons to life by uploading your content. For each lesson, you can add a variety of materials. If you have videos, upload them directly, or if they're hosted on platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, embed them. Additionally, you can upload audio files, especially if you want to provide downloadable podcast-style content. Further enrich your lessons by adding PDFs, slides, and worksheets as downloadable resources. Don't forget to add any lesson text, summaries, or instructions to enhance the learning experience. With your content uploaded, you're ready to customize the design of your course. Navigate to the Customize tab associated with your course. Here you can choose the theme or layout that best fits your brand. Kajabi offers themes like Premiere or Momentum that you can select. Adjust the colors, fonts, and layout of the lesson pages to ensure your course reflects your brand identity. After designing, the next step is to set your course pricing. Head over to the Offers section in Kajabi, create a new offer and attach your course to it. Choose a pricing model that suits your business needs, whether it's a one-time payment, subscription options like monthly or yearly, or a payment plan. You'll also need to connect to your Stripe or PayPal account to manage payments smoothly. Finally, with everything in place, it's time to publish your course. Once you're satisfied with your course structure, lessons, and pricing, simply click Publish. Share your sales page link or embed the checkout link on your website. Students who purchase your course will automatically receive access to the Kajabi course portal, allowing them to begin their learning journey. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a